Hi UMC student, I'm Emily Huang, running for Vice President. As known, unlike the President, the Vice President can have a stronger bond with students. So this is why I'm here. If I become a Vice President, I will set up a mailbox to represent students' opinion and ideas to teachers and student council. If you want to make your school life better, please vote me. My name is Emily Huang. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mahan. I'm candidate Vice President of Student Council of UMC High School. Sometimes in our daily life we need changes, and for those changes I need you to see me as a friend or the student who sits next to you, and not as the Vice President only. I will be open to you all the time, and I want to hear your words to make our second home to a better place, with help from other members of Student Council and Pedram as a President of Student Council. Together for all times, Uli Jeshanal Ye, Vim Kong Dung Tut Hun, Merci.